What are some reasons that cause people to file for bankruptcy? Number one, medical expenses. Unexpected medical bills can be a major contributor to bankruptcy, and particularly for those who don't have good health insurance. All it takes is one medical emergency, and that could cost upwards of 6 figures. Number two, job loss. Losing a job can lead to financial difficulties, especially if it takes a long time to find a new one. Number three, divorce. The costs associated with divorce, such as legal fees and the need to support two households on one income, can be a major contributing factor to bankruptcy. Number four, overspending. Spending more money than one makes or taking on too much debt can also contribute to making you have to file for bankruptcy. Number five, business failures. Businesses can fail for a variety of reasons. And if the business owner has personally guaranteed the business debts, then they may be personally responsible and have to file for bankruptcy. Number six, natural disasters such as hurricanes and earthquakes. They can cause significant damage to your property and disrupt businesses and lead to filing for bankruptcy when you have financial difficulties. Number seven, poor financial management. Lack of financial planning or mismanaging your finances can also contribute to bankruptcy. Number eight, credit card debt. High balances on credit card debts with high interest rates can be difficult to pay off financially if an individual is only making minimum payments. Have you ever looked at your credit card statement and you saw that little statement on there that says how many years it will take to pay off your credit card bill if you only make the minimum monthly payments? That can be pretty scary. So those are all reasons that can cause an individual to file for bankruptcy. I am offering a free consultation where we can figure out whether or not I can help you to get rid of your debt. If so, please feel free to give our office a call at 818-714-2200 or click the link below in our description. And we'll get you scheduled for your consultation as soon as possible because I only have a limited availability of appointments that I can take. I look forward to helping you with your debt. Don't forget to give us a call today.